Alibaba just dropped Taoavatar. It's a real-time, lifelike, full-body talking avatar for augmented reality using 3D Gaussian splatter, which is absolutely crazy to have your own kind of AI virtual assistant if you really want to. Check it out.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Jewel. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How's your today?
Today is pretty good. I'm working on a new recipe for the blog and it's going well. What about you? How's your day so far?
Yeah, I'm fine, thank you. And what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is probably sushi. I love the combination of flavors and textures. And my favorite activity is definitely cooking and trying out new recipes. What about you? Do you have any favorites?
Oh, I like cooking too. See you later.
That right there is crazy. It's almost futuristic if you think about it. To have your own kind of AI virtual personal assistant, maid, whatever you want to call it, maybe even coach. This would be even cool if you wanted to maybe make this for workouts, maybe a personal trainer. They say that realistic 3D full-body talking avatars holds great potential in AR with applications ranging from e-commerce, live streaming to holographic communication. Despite advances in 3D Gaussian splatting, 3D for life avatar creation, existing methods struggle with fine-grained control of facial expressions and body movements in full-body talking tasks. So meaning we have the technology, but the pairing of this technology together has been a struggle, it seems like. But of course, they figured it out, right? So they said additionally, they often lack sufficient details and cannot run in real time on mobile devices. With Taoavatars, a high fidelity, lightweight, 3D GS based full body talking avatar driven by various signals, their approach starts by creating a personalized, clothed human paratrick template that blends Gaussians to represent appearance.
My name is Jewel. Nice to meet you.
They then pre-train a style UNet based network to handle complex pose dependent non-rigged deformation, which can capture high frequency appearance details but is too resource intensive for mobile devices. To overcome this, they bake a non-rigid deformation into a lightweight MLP based network using distilled technique and develop blend shapes to compensate for details. That's a lot of jargon right there, but it seems like what they have is they out in a game. If you ever seen Blender or people make game developers and characters, how they have like blank character who's like a bald human being that's just has no characteristics at all. That's what they come with. It comes with that characteristics, and then it also comes with clothes on this human person. So it's a clothed human being. And they say they blend different Gaussians together, so they blend different views so it looks realistic from any angle. They use UNets, basically posing. If you ever seen different AIs where they have like poses and you can see they have almost like a line going down there with dots at different points, like their wrists, their arms, their ankles, their elbows and stuff. That helps with the styling to pose the character. And they use a lighter weight model to run on lighter weight software. And we've been seeing that being pushed to the forefront lately. We've been seeing Gamma, released by Gemini, which is a very lightweight model that has like 1 billion parameter that can like images, even videos, but it can run on your laptop or even your mobile device.
See you later.
This is something that's really lightweight, so a push towards lighter weight models helps when it comes to making things like, well, like this. They say that Taoavatar achieves state-of-the-art rendering quality while running in real time across various devices, maintaining a 90 frame per second high definition stereo device such as Apple Vision Pro. 90 frames per second is not bad at all, like actually kind of impressive. And also it can run on the Apple Vision Pro. Let's say you had like big where you can tie it up to something stronger. Maybe you had like a NUC or like a lightweight computer with goggles on it, like a laptop on your back, and then goggles hook up to the laptop. That could really give you a very powerful experience. And it seems like it also has audio too, which is pretty cool. Like I said, this is just the beginning. Imagine a year from now how much improvements. 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. It's gonna really be game changing. There's even this other clip where this other person is like their own hologram, and it looks pretty good. I'm not saying it's the most lifelike of them all, but for that to be something and for it to be able to talk and interact with you to some extent, and it's this clear already. That's even has like a menu right beside
nice
it,
to meet you.
but it is really well lit and able to be seen really well within the area. I think this is going to change how we maybe even do like calls with each other in the future. Let's say you have family events that you cannot show up to. It'd be cool to have this as the family event if you ever seen like the Jetsons or anything. We will definitely see how this progresses, but if you want to keep up with the future as the future rolls out with the latest and greatest AI news, tech news, robotics news, you should definitely like and subscribe. With that being said, your boy Dexter out.